Hey everybody, it's Sonny doing another episode of Behind the Wrench. We just want to kind of give you a quick shakedown, show you what we've got going on here. We started off doing a simple spring job on a Polaris General. Got the springs off and realized that we had a little problem with the shock itself. There's no nitrogen in it. If there was nitrogen, this thing would just come right back up. So we're gonna dig into it and see what's going on. We'll see if we've lost the nitrogen or if it's got into the oil chamber and emulsated. So let's see what we got. First off, these don't have Schrader valves on them, so quickest, easiest way for us is to drill that out, even though it didn't have any nitrogen in it, just to make sure there's no stored energy in there. I'm gonna tap this down. And there's a snap ring in here. They're always fun to get out. Okay. Got the nitrogen cap off. Push this down. We're going to push that piston up. So this is your floating piston. These things just slide up and down that reservoir, and that's where you're getting the cushion when your shocks are compressing. That nitrogen is just a big cushion for it. Okay, so good thing is there's no emulsation. I'm gonna go ahead and dump out this oil. All right. Put this bad boy back in here. And it's dust cap. They just press right in. All right, so we got that dust cap. I like to just take a zip tie and jam it up in there. You don't even need to zip it. I just jam it up in there, keeps that dust cap from coming down. I'm gonna take this shock out just so you guys can see something real quick. Dump the rest of this oil. And if you can see how much dirt gets caught between that head and the dust cap, and all that debris, all that dirt gets sucked in and out. So there's a wiper seal there, and yep, goes in there and contaminates your oil at some point. This is one dirty SOB. Okay, another circlip for that. We're just gonna lift this out, and boom, that's we'll start cleaning this stuff up and inspecting all the parts and pieces.